Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO V21, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, simply open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using settings as an example for this. And once it's open and visible, you can either press the power key and volume down, or use 3-finger swipe down to capture a screenshot. So power volume down to capture it physically, and using 3 fingers you can do the same thing. Now for some reason it gives the same pop-up twice, but this time around it gives also another one that you can swipe up for a split screen. So anyway, now let's try that again. And right here you have a long screenshot, which when you tap on it, it will allow you to capture a longer version of the screenshot. So if there is a content that can be scrolled down, like settings, you can scroll it down right here, click on save, and this will capture a longer version of it. So from there, the 2 screenshots that I have captured can be found in our photo application. If I can actually locate it. Oh, there we go. So as you can see, there they are. So there is the long screenshot, and then there is the normal one. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.